Hi friends, today's topic will be very helpful for everyone. Once complete this video, you could know as well as you can comment below also this is useful for you or not. I think this will be useful for everyone, those who are doing and those who are working day-to-day life in the Excel, and those who are not subscribed this channel, please you can subscribe and watch, and daily update will reach you on time. As well as this my videos will be helpful for the corporate life people, those who are doing in a physical way, and what are the difficulties you are facing, those things you will get the solution on it. Okay, let me go inside. Hi friends, this one only we are going to look. Okay, over here it is available for the roster. This is for the work schedule for the employees. It has given for the code, but we need to replace for timing. This is what the timing. Example S4, the shift code, but we required 8 to 17. This is what the replacement we are going to do. Normally we will do one by one, find and replace, right? But over here we are going to do at once with the help of VBA code. That is what we are going to do over here. Let's see how we can do it. Okay, now you can open for VBA module. There are two methods available to open VBA module. The method one, go to developer, Visual Basic, insert and module. Okay, this is a way you can open it, or else the other method will be just this one. Once you are clicking that one, alt F11, automatically modular box will open, that is Visual Basic module. VBA code, with the help of VBA code we are using and finding and replacing with the multiple cells. Okay, with the multiple codes, that is what we are going to do over here. This multiple code I will for the VBA code I will give in the description, or else you can check in the website. Okay, over there it will be available. Okay, so already I copied and right now I am pasting over here. This is what the code we are going to use right now. So just you can keep it here at the bottom. Then in the VBA model you can click your mouse, then press F5. Now it is asking for original range. Okay, so which is the original range? This is what the original range you need to change, which you want to change. That is what original range you have to select, then give us OK. Now it is asking for replace range. With which one will be the replace range? This is what the replacement range. Okay, this one only we need to change for the shift code of this one. So you have to select both the thing, then give us OK. Now you can look, everything will be changed. Okay, with the help of VBA code, now you are looking, everything has been changed, right? Now we have to check this replacement has been done perfectly 100% or not. Okay, let's see over here. Just yes, because in the bottom I have keep it as a same table in order to check. Okay, just we need to cross check. S4. Okay, the S4 code will be 8 to 17. Now you can check 8 to 17. Then you can look over here, that is this one on 4th. What is a code? Work is on 4th, S8. So you can check it here, S8 16 to 1, 16 to 1. Okay, this is a way. While you're checking, in a sense, everything will be proper. So one by one with the corporate will we are having only minimum duration, we have to complete all the files and all the reports on time, right? So while we are learning this kind of VBA code, it will be very useful. I think this video will be very helpful for you. If it is very helpful, this please you can give a thumbs up, as well as you can comment below if it is useful, or you are facing any issues on it, or personal your opinion for this video. That will be very helpful for me. As well as you can subscribe my channel for getting continuous videos which is related to physical data with the physical difficulties you are facing in the corporate. Okay, such a things will be very helpful for you. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.